Welcome to English Practice Class.
No fear. Just start. How did you sleep? Asking someone about their sleep. How did you sleep last night? How did you sleep after your long day? Have a good day. A friendly wish for someone's day. Have a good day at work today. Have a good day, and see you tonight. Get ready. Prepare yourself for something. I need to get ready for work now. I need to get ready before the bus arrives. Get dressed. Put on your clothes. I need to get dressed before breakfast. I usually get dressed quickly in the morning. Hurry up. Do something more quickly. Hurry up, or we will miss the bus. Hurry up, or we will be late for work. I'm leaving now. Saying that you are going out now. I'm leaving now. See you this evening. I'm leaving now. I'll see you after work. See you later. A friendly way to say goodbye for now. See you later. I have to go now. See you later. I'll call you after work. On my way. Currently traveling toward a place. I'm on my way to the office now. I'm on my way home from work. Catch the bus. Get on a bus before it leaves. I need to catch the bus at 8. I have to catch the bus before 9. Miss the bus. Arrive too late to catch the bus. I missed the bus this morning again. I don't want to miss the bus today. How long does it take? Asking about travel time. How long does it take to reach there? How long does it take to get to work? I'm almost there. Nearly arrived at the destination. I'm almost there. Please wait a minute. I'm almost there. I'll reach the office soon. Nice to meet you. A polite expression when meeting someone first time. Nice to meet you. My name is Rahul. Nice to meet you. I'm glad to meet you. How are you doing? Asking how someone is feeling or doing. Hi. How are you doing today? Hey. How are you doing this morning? What have you been up to? Asking what someone has been doing recently. What have you been up to lately? What have you been up to since we last met? Sounds good. Showing that you like an idea. Sounds good. Let's meet after work today. Sounds good. Let's have lunch together tomorrow. Take care. A friendly way to say goodbye. Take care, and have a safe journey. Take care, and I'll see you tomorrow. I'm just looking. Saying you do not need help yet. I'm just looking, but I'll ask if needed. I'm just looking around before I decide. How much is this? Asking about the price of something. How much is this shirt over there? How much is this jacket on the shelf? That's too expensive. Saying something costs more than expected. That's too expensive for me right now. That's too expensive. Do you have a cheaper one? I'll take it. Saying that you want to buy something. I'll take it. Can I pay by card? I'll take it. Please pack it for me. Do you have any? Asking whether something is available. Do you have any smaller sizes available? Do you have any blue shirts in this size? Good morning. A friendly greeting used in the morning. Good morning, everyone. Did you sleep well? Good morning, Mom. How are you today? Wake up. Stop sleeping. I wake up early every morning for work. I usually wake up before my alarm rings. Get up. Leave your bed after sleeping. I usually get up at 7 in the morning. I get up early when I have work.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Keep practicing daily, speak without fear, and watch our previous and latest videos for better English practice.